Hey retro lovers, welcome back to Feeling Retro. In last week's video we took a look at the Sony CMT SD1. We had a look at the history, some of its capabilities, the glass flaps and different inputs you can do with the device. In today's episode we're going to be looking at the same system but checking out its sound capabilities. Check out the bass on these speakers.
Feeling Retro.
So you'll notice on the front panel here as well, there's not many controls there to adjust the sound. So you do need the remote control again to adjust the treble, adjust the bass and adjust the woofer level. And you can do that just at the right hand side here with the bass and the treble buttons. And you can see on the display that I can increase bass 3 positive, 3 negative, and same with treble. I'm going to leave them both in the middle there. I've got no problems with the sound as it is. And on the front here as well, we've got one extra button, which is for dynamic bass feedback, or DBFB. We can press that and we can either have it on or off. Let's give the system a little listen and we'll have a go at listening out for that DBFB, see if you can notice a difference. First, let's go off. Everyone a crowd because we tried out something new. Is it one of those nights where one of those dreams come true? Girl, I had a dream last night. 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 You're in the mix with Ryan James. Girl, I had a dream last night. Let's get the bass on. Mate, I didn't want to stop. So whilst listening to some songs there, we've just had a little listen to the two-way bass Reflex speakers, 6 OHMs. Each speaker's got one 25mm balanced drive tweeter and one 120mm glass fibre cone. You can see those shifting and shaking quite a lot, particularly when we had the bass Reflex on there. They're an okay speaker for their price point. In my opinion, they don't quite match the quality. Let's get that down. They don't quite match the sound quality that can be produced by the components. I think if I was keeping this system, I'd be inclined to attach 2 slightly more powerful speakers. However, as you heard, the bass notes are pretty clear and deep. The treble notes are pretty distinctly defined. The power drains a little bit if they're in a particularly large room, but in a regular sized living room or dining room, they're absolutely fine.
Hey retro lovers, thank you for watching this sound test video. We upload videos every Friday at 7 PM GMT, and in the coming weeks we're going to be uploading more videos showing you the tape deck and the mini disc player. And our 2021 goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers. So click that red button, turn on the bell, and if you enjoyed this, click the like button. See you next week.